Meaning of depressive.
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 Depressive. Depressive refers to anything that is related to depression, which is a mental health disorder characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, loss of interest in activities, and other symptoms. People who experience depression may have difficulty carrying out daily tasks and can struggle with relationships. Depression can also lead to physical health problems such as insomnia and appetite changes. It's important for those experiencing depressive symptoms to seek help from a mental health professional, as depression can be treated through therapy, medication, or a combination of both.